With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
So the question is, in honeybee, drones are, options are haploid males, haploid females, diploid males, and diploid females. So first of all, we have to know that who are drones. Okay. So basically, drones are the male honeybees. Okay, honeybees, which are the product of unfertilized eggs. Okay, now drones do not have strings. They do not have strings. Okay, and do not participate in nectar. Not participate in nectar and pollen gathering. Okay, a drone's primary role, okay, its primary role is only to mate with a fertile queen. Okay, fertile queen. Now the male drones, okay, they are haploid in nature, as they have only half the genes possessed by the queen. So our correct option is option A, that is haploid males. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.